You need your laptop. Hi, my name is Sarah from Close to the Earth IT Services. Here are a few reviews about working with me.
I can't thank you enough for your help, especially when I've gotten stuck on my iPhone, my iPad, or my Mac. You're great to work with. I love that you're somebody that I can depend on.
Yay Close to the Earth. Whenever they come up with a project for me, they're so supportive. Not just in a technical way, which they are. I mean, you can call them with the worst problems, they'll fix it. Also personally, I'm all about them. Thanks so much.
You need someone who knows what's going on. That's why whenever I have a problem with my Mac, she saves me hours of wasted time trying to figure out some obscure fix to even the most common of problems. Highly recommended.
Yes, I can fix your computer from far away, from anywhere in the world. Through the magic of screen sharing, you'll have complete control. I can help you fix the most common and complex problems. You need your laptop.